Hey guys, welcome back to Sofa Leather. Today in the shop we're working on glove straps and radio straps. So this is all the stuff you need to make a radio strap and a glove strap. So we're also working on some Bible binding kits. We're gonna start doing that, Bible binding, and we also have some wallets over here we're working on. And we're working on this new standard radio strap with no stitching, just straight piece of leather. And
Show us the wallet.
oh yeah, and this is
Hold it up there. Let me see.
card wallet right here.
Nice. So tell me more about these kits. Are they kits or are they radio straps that we're doing ourselves?
They're no, they're kits that we're not doing ourselves. We're just sending them. So we're sending them materials, and then they'll build them themselves.
So what comes in the kit?
What comes in the kit is one buckle. We have 30 inches of paracord. Two different types of screws. And four
Trigger snaps.
Trigger snaps. Yeah, there you go. Trigger.
Does it come with all the hardware you need to make a pair of radios to make a radio strap like Sophia leather?
Yeah, everything.
Does it come with all the leather that you need to make
All
a
the
radio strap
leather.
like Sophia leather?
All the leather that you need to make a radio strap,
Including the backing,
including the backing, which is right
which
there.
is right there. All the leather that you need to make a radio strap,
radio
including the holster. Right?
Yep, that's part of the radio strap.
Yep, and we're working on finalizing this
Card wallet.
card wallet. Probably just gonna offer black and dark brown. Right, Jay?
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
You're such a great YouTuber, dude.
Oh yeah, and Bible binding.
Oh, yeah. Show them I showed them the last video, but
Do you want to show them like the expense?
the terrible one I did.
Cheap.
Oh, that's
This is garbage, right?
right.
And then
Yeah, that's the very first one. I'm not proud of it. Oh, nice placement. But I'm working on yours, Jay, actually, right here. Underneath all this. Grab all this. I'm working on, see, I worked on the spine already, the block, and I put new ribbons in. I'm just waiting for the leather to come in to finish this one. But that's all we got. Let me see your sign off.